if all the flowers faded away, and if all the storm clouds decided to stay, then you would find me each hour the same. She is tomorrow, and I am today. If right is leaving, I'd rather be wrong. She is the sunlight and the sun.